In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on iOS beta software update. So what is the beta software update? You get first-hand update before the iOS is released to the general public. Then you can try this and give your feedback if you're a developer. However, installing the beta update can break your phone until the public release is available. So if you want to do this, here's a video for you. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn off iOS beta on your iPhone, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings and make sure you're connected on the internet. Then scroll down and then click on General. Once you selected General, click on Software Update. Then wait for this page to load. You can see I'm running on the latest iOS 17.5 on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Then click on Automatic Update. Under this page, you're going to see iOS Beta Update and make sure you toggle on this feature. In this case, I'm not having this particular feature on my iPhone. That shows I cannot use the iOS Beta on my device. But if you have the iOS Beta Software Update feature under the Automatic Update, go ahead and turn this on your device. So this is how you can easily enable or turn on iOS Beta Software Update on iPhone. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.